Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1968 Chevy Camaro RS Edition. This one includes a black on black exterior and interior with the custom RS seats. Only minor modification to this vehicle besides the chromed out engine bay would be the Dakota Digital Dash. Everything is all modern, even the console gauges have been modern. This is a small block Chevy we have in this car. Very powerful sound coming out the back. Everything about this car is actually driving pretty straight. Let's give you a little bit of a brake test right now. As you can see, you still have the original Chevy Camaro wheel. And I like to think personally that the 68 was a lot better than all the other years just because it stood out differently with the D90 stripe coming down the side. Its mean performance, nobody ever really saw it as something special because 67 was the first year, whereas 69 was the most popular year. But this one we have at Skyway Classics is beyond beautiful. With the black on black, convertible power top, its performance is just, oof, straight and win to the finish line. Anyway, we're gonna get her turned around. Please stay tuned to see the underneath.